This is the all-new Mercedes C-Class 2022 review. From the outside, the all-new C-Class looks very similar to the new Mercedes S-Class. All engines are now electrified while the manual gearbox is gone. In US, the Mercedes C-Class Interior 2022 will offer in standard a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 11.9-inch touchscreen for the second-generation MBUX infotainment system. The interior of the all-new Mercedes C-Class will be more spacious than before as a result of stretching the wheelbase by 1 inch, 25 mm, now at 112.8 inches, 2,865 mm. The new C-Class also gets C200/C200 MATIC petrol versions with a 1.5-liter engine developing 201 HP, 150 kilowatts, and 221 lb-ft, 300 Nm, plus the ISG boost. It reaches 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 7.1 seconds, for MATIC, while the RWD models are doing it in 7.3 seconds, sedan, and 7.5 seconds, wagon. C300 sedan and wagon for MATIC reach 150 miles per hour, 241 kilometers per hour, compared to the 153 miles per hour, 246 kilometers per hour, of the RWD sedan and 149 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour, of the RWD wagon. An entry C180 will be available in Europe exclusively with RWD and the 1.5 liters engine with 167 HP, 125 kilowatts, and 184 lb-ft, 250 Nm. It also has the ISG, doing 0 to 62 miles per hour in 8.6 seconds before the car reaches 144 miles per hour, 231 kilometers per hour. Mercedes will also offer C200D, C220D, C220D for MATIC, and C300D mild hybrid diesels in Europe with a 2.0-liter engine behind all of them. It produces 161 HP, 120 kilowatts, and 280 lb-ft, 380 Nm, in the base version, 197 HP, 147 kilowatts, and 325 lb-ft, 440 Nm, and optional all-wheel drive in the mid-trim, and 261 HP, 195 kilowatts, and 406 lb-ft, 550 Nm, in the high trim. There is also the C300E plug-in hybrid model with a 2.0 liters petrol engine and an electric motor offering a combined output of 308 HP, 230 kilowatts, and 406 lb-ft, 550 Nm, torque. The PHEV variant has a 25.4 kWh battery pack with WLTP range of 62 miles, 100 kilometers.